H'imeartha, you are Laoch na hImeartha. Your asked the final score was Mayo 3-11, Cork 18 points. You've beaten Cork, the All-Ireland champions. You're in an All-Ireland final for the first time in 10 years. Sum this up for me, after possibly considering a leaving last year as well. So sum up your feelings right now.
Oh God, it's very hard to sum them up. Obviously the main one is we're shattered at the moment. What a game. It was really, really tense there from start to finish. Fair credit to Cork, you know, they're a team that we aspire to be for the last 10 years. Massive respect for the team, for a lot of the girls in the team. So to win here by a couple of points in an All-Ireland semi-final and to get back to Croke Park again is massive. But you know, we'll enjoy the next hour or two, but we'll have to concentrate in Dublin in a couple of weeks' time.
Frank Brown told us before the game that you had your homework done. A lot of effort, a lot of commitment went into this match.
Yeah, a huge amount of effort, commitment. You know, we've a massive backroom team there. I suppose after the Connacht final we even strengthened it more, got 2 more guys in. And they've really helped us. Peter Lee and Niall Heffernan come in, and you know, we knew in the Connacht final against Galway we didn't perform, you know, and I think Galway Mayo derbies have a life of their own. So I suppose we've worked really hard since then, and really up training, probably done a lot of extra training in the last 6 or 7 weeks. So I'm delighted for the girls in the team, especially the younger girls that maybe never got a chance to play in Croke Park on All-Ireland final day. That's why I've stuck around. I have a lot of good friends in the team that never got to experience that, and I'm delighted now in 3 weeks' time they got to experience that. But we'll settle down, and I've won in Croke Park and lost in Croke Park. Well, it's brilliant to win in All-Ireland there. It's heartbreaking to lose one, so we'll have to put the head down from Monday and work really, really hard.
Well, Cora, enjoy tonight. You are Laoch na hImeartha. Marie Hickey, Drunk Comhghairdeas le Cora Staunton, and Grad them of Rundu.